The internet has revolutionized how people work, communicate, and earn a living. What once seemed like a distant dream, making money from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world, is now an achievable reality for millions. Whether you're a student looking to earn extra cash, a parent seeking a side hustle, or someone aiming to replace a traditional 9-to-5 job, the opportunities are vast and diverse. Making money online isn't just about tech-savvy skills. It's about leveraging your unique talents, interests, and creativity in ways that suit your lifestyle. From freelancing and content creation to e-commerce and remote jobs, there's something for everyone. With minimal investment and the right strategies, you can unlock the potential of the digital economy and create a steady stream of income. Welcome to Online Money with Peter. I am so glad you stopped by. Kindly stay tuned. This guide will explore proven and beginner-friendly methods to help you earn money online, providing you with practical tips, tools, and inspiration to get started. Whether you want to build a full-time online business or simply supplement your current income, there's no better time to start than now. 1. Freelancing, that is, selling your skills. Freelancing involves offering your services to clients on a project basis without being tied to a long-term employer. It's perfect for people with skills in demand like writing, graphic design, programming, or even customer service. Platforms for freelancing are Fiverr, Upwork, TopTal, and People Per Hour. Tips for success. 1. Create a strong portfolio showcasing your previous work. 2. Tailor your profile to highlight your expertise and use keywords clients search for. 3. Start with competitive pricing to build a reputation. 4. Communicate clearly with clients to ensure repeat business. Real example, a graphic designer on Fiverr can charge $50 for a simple logo design. As they gain reviews, they can increase their rates and potentially earn hundreds per design. 2. Content creation. That is, building a personal brand. Creating content like videos, blogs, or podcasts allows you to build an audience and earn money through multiple streams. Examples of profitable niches for content creation are personal finance, health, fitness, gaming, parenting, and travel. Your monetization strategies would be ads, Google AdSense, blogs, or YouTube ads. Sponsorships. Brands pay you to promote their products. Merchandise. Sell branded items like t-shirts or mugs. Memberships. Platforms like Patreon let fans pay for exclusive content. Tips for success. Create consistent, high-quality content to attract followers. Engage with your audience through comments or live sessions. Use SEO techniques to rank higher on search engines or platform algorithms. Another platform to make money online is selling digital products. Digital products are a one-time effort but can generate passive income over time. Ideas for such products are ebooks, teach a skill or provide valuable information. Online courses, create video tutorials on topics like coding, baking, or digital marketing. Templates, resume templates, planners, and graphic design kits. Platforms to sell on are Gumroad, Etsy, Shopify, or your website. Tips for success. Identify a niche demand by researching popular trends. Use tools like Canva or Adobe to create professional products. Offer free samples to attract buyers and build trust. Real example. An entrepreneur selling Instagram templates can make $500 plus monthly by listing their products on Etsy. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money online. This is a commission-based system where you earn for driving sales or traffic to a company's website using your referral links. Best niches for affiliates: technology, gadgets, software, health and fitness, supplements, equipment, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, how to promote, write reviews or tutorials about the product. Share affiliate links on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Tips for success. Build an audience first to maximize link clicks. Choose products relevant to your niche. Disclose your affiliate status to maintain transparency. Real example. A beauty blogger earning through affiliate programs by reviewing makeup products can earn thousands per month from purchases made through their links. You can also make money online. Selling physical products. That is, e-commerce. This involves selling tangible goods online, either by holding inventory or using fulfillment methods like dropshipping. Best products to sell: trendy gadgets, handmade crafts, or seasonal items. Platforms to use are Shopify for creating a dedicated online store, Amazon to reach a massive customer base, Etsy, perfect for handmade or vintage items. Tips for success: Use tools like Oberlo to automate dropshipping. Advertise on social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram. Real example. A dropshipper selling phone accessories can earn $2,000 per month by partnering with reliable suppliers. Online surveys and microtasks is also another good platform to make money online. This is a beginner-friendly option that requires little skill. Examples of tasks are filling out surveys, transcribing audio files, testing apps or websites. Survey platforms are Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Amazon Mechanical Turk. Tips for success. Dedicate spare time to maximize earnings. Look for platforms with good reviews to avoid scams. Real example, a college student earns $100 to $200 monthly by completing surveys during free time. 7. Remote work for companies. Many companies now hire remote workers for full-time or part-time roles. Popular remote jobs are content writing, data analysis, customer support marketing. Platforms for finding such jobs are remote.so, We Work Remotely, LinkedIn, etc. Tips for success. Highlight remote work skills like self-discipline and time management in your applications. Tailor your resume to match job descriptions. Real example. A remote customer service representative can earn $15 to $25 per hour with flexible schedules. 8. Online tutoring and teaching. If you're knowledgeable in a subject or language, you can teach students globally. Subjects in demand: math, English as a second language, ESL, coding, and music. Platforms to use are VIPKid, TutorMe, or Preply. Tips for success. Focus on subjects you're confident in teaching. Use interactive tools to keep students engaged. Real example. An English tutor on VIPKid can earn $2,000 per month teaching Chinese students. 9. Stock market and cryptocurrency investing in financial markets offers long-term earning potential, but requires knowledge and risk management. Steps to get started. Educate yourself through books or online courses. Use beginner-friendly platforms like Robinhood or Binance. Start small and diversify investments. Tips for success. Avoid emotional trading. Stick to strategies. Monitor market trends and news. Real example. A beginner investor who regularly invests $100 per month in ETFs can grow wealth steadily over time. 10. Gaming and live streaming. Gamers can earn by live streaming or uploading gameplay videos. Platforms: Twitch, YouTube Gaming, Facebook Gaming. Earning methods: ads, sponsorships, merchandise sales, or viewer donations. Tips for success. Stream popular games to attract viewers. Engage with your audience during live streams. Real example. A Twitch streamer earns $1,000 plus monthly through ads and donations by streaming consistently. 11. Mobile apps and website testing companies pay for user feedback to improve their digital products. Steps to get started. Sign up on platforms like User Testing. Complete qualification tests to unlock higher-paying projects. Tips for success. Provide detailed and actionable feedback. Real example, a tester can earn $10 or $15 for a 20-minute testing session. Number 12. Virtual real estate. You can buy and sell domain names or virtual properties on platforms like Decentraland. Tips for success. Research trending keywords to find valuable domains. List domains on Flippa or Sato for auction. Real example. Someone buys a domain for $20 and resells it for $1,000 to a business needing that name. By focusing on one or more of these methods and dedicating consistent effort, anyone can create a sustainable income online. Thank you for watching. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our updates. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments section. We love hearing from you. And for exclusive perks and behind-the-scenes content, consider clicking the Join button to become a channel member. Your support helps us create even more amazing content. See you in the next video.